Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and one of the questions I get all the time in my practice, especially when coming from athletes, is what kind of supplements are best? So I work with all kinds of people, all kinds of health goals, from chronic illness to disordered eating to athletes. And in the athletic population, even when I'm working in academic settings, one of the biggest questions, most popular questions, is what's the best supplement? Or is this a good supplement? Or what's the best kind of energy drink? Or anything kind of along those lines. And one of my first questions that I'll ask someone that's taking a lot of supplements are, what are the foundations of food behaviors first? So are they getting all of your food groups, which seems kind of rudimentary, but also, are you getting whole grains? Are you getting vegetables? Are you getting fruits? Are you getting some sort of protein? Are you getting essential fatty acids or different types of fats from plant and animal sources? Again, that sounds so juvenile, but if you're skipping basic foods and jumping to supplements, those behaviors won't last. I've been in the industry since 2000, maybe a little bit before, since 98, 99. And I've been in athletic circles my entire life. I was like literally born on a baseball field. I went to a Giants game when I was like 3 days old, and I still love baseball to this day. Athletes want to win. They're very competitive. They typically have a type A, very intellectual personality. So supplements become this, oh, it's going to give me an extra edge. It's going to give me a one-up. It gives you about a 3% difference when you meet basic behaviors, and then the supplement, depending upon the outcome that you want it to do, the supplement can give you an extra edge, but not if basic behaviors aren't there first. So if there's too much caffeine, if there's not bowel movements every day, if there's not consistent sleep, if there is use of any sort of substance like drugs or alcohol, the supplement isn't going to do what it's supposed to do. So I want to make sure that the athlete that I'm working with has just basic food behaviors. Do they know how to eat? Are they prioritizing meal planning? Are they prioritizing rest? Are they pooping every day? How's their health? How's their mental health? How's their emotional health? How is their social health? Are they able to eat with others in an appropriate way? If all that is yes, 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 good to go, then we talk creatine. Then we talk caffeine for maybe endurance performance. And then maybe we talk any sort of herb or anything that is going to be allowed in their regulatory sport. Then we look at the research on how much dosing for male or females, on what stage of life. For the people identifying as a female, are they getting their periods appropriately? Men, how's their hormones if they're over age 40 or 50? So it's not a black or white answer on what the best supplement or brand is everything else is in check. And sometimes athletes don't want to have that conversation. They just want to skip to the supplement, take the pill, and have the edge. And that's okay. But then just know you're skipping over all of the basics. And I really want to work with athletes that want to truly transform. And sometimes transactional is needed for short-term help, yes. But true transformation takes a little bit of legwork. It's pretty boring. It's not a sexy sale, but it's what works. I hope this answers your questions. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.